Today, we're going to draw a super yummy hamburger. Are you ready? Start with a round bun and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Then add lettuce, tomato, cheese, and a patty, layer by layer. Color the bun orange-yellow, the lettuce green, tomato red, the cheese bright yellow, and the patty dark brown. Want your burger extra special? Add an egg, rainbow cheese, or colorful sauce. It's up to you. Amazing! Your burger looks full and fun. Don't you just want to take a big bite? There's no recipe for joy. Just add what you love.